Prawn fried biryani. First we need to make a masala. For that add coriander, few dry red chilies, 2 elaichi, cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, little black pepper, 1 star anise. Roast this on a low flame. Blend this into a smooth powder. Here is the grounded masala. Marinate the prawn. Add turmeric, red chili powder, garlic paste, green chilies, coriander, sliced onion. Add oil. Add this masala. Add lemon juice, curd. Give this a mix. Add salt. Mix well. Rest this for 2 hours. Basmati rice. Wash the rice. Add water. Let this soak for 30 minutes. Add oil to the pan. Add the marinated prawns. Add some curry leaves. Add oil. Add the masala. First I'm going to add the tej pata, star anise, lavang, elaichi, cinnamon stick, few green chilies, shah jeera. Add onions. Add ginger garlic paste. Add the soaked basmati rice. Add mint and coriander. Add water. Salt. Add a spoon of ghee. Let this cook on a medium flame. Add little ghee. Now add this prawns. Add coriander. Keep it for 2 minutes on a very low flame. So here the prawn fry biryani is ready, and if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.